Audit Flow's workflow diagram contains a completion checklist which provides auditors with a recommended start to finish roadmap for completing their audits. The objective of this video is therefore to demonstrate Audit Flow's workflow diagram and provide a summary of the key points of this workpaper. The workflow diagram is comprised of 4 key steps of an SMSF audit, being preliminary engagement activities and planning, gathering audit evidence, audit completion, and audit review and finalisation. Each of these steps contain tasks which have a direct reference to a particular workpaper within the application, allowing easy navigation between the workflow diagram and the relevant workpaper. Once an audit file has been established and the financial information been populated, the auditor would visit the workflow diagram page. Then, in order of appearance, starting at the top of the page, they would complete each task. As the auditor ticks complete on each workpaper that is hyperlinked within the workflow diagram, the workflow diagram is automatically ticked complete also. There are a number of tasks within the workflow diagram that do not contain links to workpapers within the application. For example, preliminary engagement activities, planning. Where this occurs, the auditor will simply need to tick complete on the workflow diagram as opposed to on the specific workpaper. The auditor has the ability to edit the workflow diagram in a number of ways. The first way is to add a new task or section to an existing step. For example, in gathering audit evidence, the auditor may wish to add the procedure determine sampling method and size for each material financial statement item. When in the relevant step, in the blank space, type in the new task and click Add Task. Alternatively, the auditor may wish to add a new section under which the new task is to be added. To do this, in the blank space type in a section header, for example Audit Sampling, click Add Section, and then in the new section which has just been created, type in the relevant task in the space provided and click Add Task. The second way is to add a new step within the workflow diagram. The auditor can do this through the New Workflow Step function at the bottom of the workflow diagram index. The auditor would simply type in the name of the new step in the space provided and click Create, and then repeat the same procedures previously demonstrated. Should the auditor wish to delete any procedure, they can simply do so by hovering to the right of the task and deleting. Should the auditor wish to delete a workflow step, they can do so by hovering over the right of the step bar and clicking on Delete.